This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Amex Platinum card versus Gold. We'll explore their distinct features, benefits, and annual fees to help you decide which card best fits your lifestyle. Understanding the core differences in rewards and perks is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into what each card offers and how they cater to different spending habits and travel needs. The Amex Platinum card is designed for the frequent traveler, offering unparalleled luxury. You'll gain access to a vast network of airport lounges, including the exclusive Centurion lounges. Plus, it provides valuable statement credits for services like Uber, digital entertainment, and airline fees, enhancing your travel and daily experiences. This card truly elevates your journey. The Amex Gold card shines for everyday spending, especially on food. It offers an impressive 4 times points on purchases at U.S. supermarkets and restaurants, making it a powerhouse for dining and groceries. You also get up to $120 in annual dining credits, adding significant value. Its lower annual fee makes these benefits more accessible. Deciding between the Platinum and Gold cards depends on your priorities. If you're a frequent traveler who values premium lounge access and extensive travel credits, Platinum is likely your best fit. However, if your spending is primarily on dining and groceries, the Gold card's robust reward structure offers superior value. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for amazing deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other great offers. Choose the card that aligns with your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.